It's KC9VKV. Greg, you still there?
Yes, still here. I could hear Don just fine too. He's about, I'm 50 miles northwest of his QTH, over.
Ah, roger. So you're towards Evansville?
Yes.
Ah, roger, roger. What part?
Well, I'm in Illinois, about 50 miles northwest of Evansville.
I got you. What kind of radio you running?
It's an old YAESU FT990 and driving an SB1000, about a kilowatt.
Well, this is FT990 driving SB220, roger?
Roger. Well, similar, only you've got two 3-500. So my antenna is a G5RV and an inverted V, about 35 feet up.
Roger, roger. Well, you sounded mighty good. Everything, EQ and everything sounded really good, roger.
Okay, well, good. I'm glad to hear that. It's rare that I get on 40 meters. I'm usually on 80 meters at night. So I welcome the chance to tune everything up on another band. I've got an SA 2060 tuner, and so glad to know everything sounds okay. Well, you have a good signal, and your audio is superb too. Thank you.
Roger, roger, Greg. Thank you so very much, sir. And we will be posting our Qso-Vlog that we're recording at this moment to YouTube in the next couple of days. So if you go to YouTube and call it a search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, that will bring up our Qso-Vlog page, and right at the, well, not to the top, but somewhere on that page will be our Qso. It'll be entitled to My Group, today's date, and the frequency, and that should take you there. Threes, Greg, catch you later. It's KC9VKV.
Okay, well, thank you. I'll do that. And your name is what?
Name here is Jim Juliet India Mike.
Okay, and your location is in southern Indiana?
That's correct, about 3 miles from downtown Louisville. And the call is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor.
Okay, very good, Jim. Thanks very much. KC9VKV, W9XI, 73.
Roger, roger, Greg. 3's that away.